today I am teaching one of the first people in the world my Swan method, my hand-dyed hair extension install method that I created. Currently it is getting worked on. We are trying to get a patent and we hope that it goes through. And I'm going to be teaching one person in the world, and you know, a lot of people start off in their basement, and that's kind of where I'm at right now. So I'm hoping that in a year things are very different, and I'm teaching on another level. And just to show y'all, this is how I'm teaching today. At least it's going to be beautiful out here, but I've got my one person coming over very soon, and I'll be teaching her the Swan method. Leda, wish me luck. And come on in. Welcome, Ashley. Are you excited?
Hell yeah.
All right, let's do this. My turn. Woohoo.
Yep.
Come on in. Funny, the week when we were doing this, me and you, Ashley, I was looking at these things thinking, God, they look like butts. And one of my clients the other day, she was looking at this and she's like, they look like little butts. And I was like, oh, I love you.
Oh my gosh.
Nobody else says that. Okay, leave it like that.